Zonguldak, Turkey, found itself in the grip of a formidable storm that unleashed widespread havoc. The shoreline bore the brunt of massive waves, transforming streets into watery chaos, submerging cars, and wreaking havoc on the city's infrastructure. The storm's fierce winds shattered trees and buildings, prompting the closure of schools and businesses. Emergency services responded valiantly as numerous homes were inundated, necessitating urgent medical assistance. The community, facing this natural onslaught, displayed unity by seeking refuge in designated centers. As authorities issued warnings about the potential consequences of the floods, National Forecast Services kept citizens updated on the dynamic weather condition. Zonguldak transformed into a resilient team, mobilizing medical services to aid victims and emergency teams working tirelessly to stabilize the situation. The heavy rains exacerbated the flooding, adding to the challenges faced by the resilient population of Zonguldak. As the city grappled with the aftermath, the need for sustained recovery efforts became evident, underlining the collective spirit and determination of the community to overcome the consequences of this severe storm.
Rescued people found temporary relief in special shelter.